নমস্কাৰ আপোনালোকলৈ আগবঢ়োৱা আজিৰ ভিডিঅ'ৰ ফাৰ্ষ্ট কুৱেশ্যনটো হৈছে এ ইউনিটি অফ কমন ছাবজেকশ্যন গেভ ৰাইজ টু এ ইউনিটি অফ কমন নেশ্যন হু ছেড দিছ অপশ্যন এ জৱাহৰলাল নেহৰু বি মহাত্মা গান্ধী চি সুভাষ চন্দ্ৰ বোস অপশ্যন ডি গোপাল কৃষ্ণ গোখলে কাৰেক্ট অপশ্যন ইজ এ জৱাহৰলাল নেহৰু A unity of common subjection gave rise to a unity of common nation. Jawaharlal Nehru said this. Option A is correct. Next, which of the following rivers in Tripura experience tide? Correct option is B. Feni. Feni river in Tripura experience tide. Option B is correct. Next, the National Disaster Management Authority is headed by option A. Prime Minister of India, B. President of India, C. Governor of State, option D. Chief Minister of State. Correct option is A. Prime Minister of India. The National Disaster Management Authority is headed by Prime Minister of India. Option A is correct. Next, the Bhopal gas disaster occurred in. Correct option is C. 1984. The Bhopal gas disaster occurred in 1984, 3rd December. Option C is correct. Next, the main deity of the Ravas is called. Correct option is B. Rishi. The main deity of the Ravas is called Rishi. Option B is correct. Next, arrange the following events in chronological order. P. Dandi March. Q. Jallianwala Bagh Massacre. R. Quit India Movement. S. Swadeshi Movement. Correct option is B. SQPR. Swadeshi Movement 1905 7 August. Q. Jallianwala Bagh Massacre 1919 13 April. P. Dandi March 1930. R. Quit India Movement 1942 8 August. Correct option is B. Next, which of the following countries have dual citizenship? National citizenship and state citizenship. Correct option is C. Switzerland and USA. Switzerland and USA have dual citizenship, national citizenship and state citizenship. Option C is correct. Next, the midday meal scheme is launched by the Union Ministry of. Option A. Home Affairs. B. Social Welfare. C. Human Resource Development. Option D. Rural Development. Correct option is C. Human Resource Development. The midday meal scheme is launched by the Union Ministry of Human Resource Development. Option C is correct. Next, in which session of the Indian National Congress the resolution on fundamental rights was passed? Correct option is D. Karachi session 1931. The Indian National Congress the resolution on fundamental rights was passed in Karachi session 1931. Option D is correct. Next, which of the following is India's first submarine museum? Correct option is A. INS Kursura is India's first submarine museum. Option A is correct. Next, who among the following Smritikaras has allowed widow remarriage? Correct option is B. Parashara. Parashara has allowed widow remarriage. Option B is correct. Next, The resignation by the Congress-led ministers on 1st November 1939 was celebrated by the Muslim League as. Correct option is C. Deliverance Day. The resignation by the Congress-led ministers on 1st November 1939 was celebrated by the Muslim League as Deliverance Day. Option C is correct. Next, which of the following Indian states has the highest forest cover? Option A. Chhattisgarh, B. Arunachal Pradesh, C. Maharashtra, option D. Madhya Pradesh. Correct option is D. Madhya Pradesh. Indian state Madhya Pradesh has the highest forest cover. Option D is correct. Next, right to education has been passed under which amendment act? Correct option is A. 86th Amendment Act. Right to education has been passed under 86th Amendment Act 2002. Option A is correct. Next, Rashtrangini written by Kalhan is. Option A. A history of Kashmir, B. An anthology of lyrics, C. About Chandragupta's reign, option D. None of these. Correct option is A. A history of Kashmir. Rashtrangini written by Kalhan is a history of Kashmir. Option A is correct. Next, the Saraighat battle between the Ahoms and the Mughals was fought in the year. Correct option is B. 1671. The Saraighat battle between the Ahoms and the Mughals was fought in the year 1671. Option B is correct. Next, the Red Sea is an example of. Option A. Folded structure, B. Faulted structure, C. Lava structure, option D. Residual structure. Correct option is B. Faulted structure. The Red Sea is an example of a faulted structure. Option B is correct. Next, when did Alexander invade India? Correct option is D. 327 BC. Alexander invaded India in 327 BC. Option D is correct. Next, the state of Jhansi was made a part of the British Empire in India through the. Correct option is A. Doctrine of Lapse. The state of Jhansi was made a part of the British Empire in India through the Doctrine of Lapse. Option A is correct. Azir video last question to hoise. Kolita is an ethnic group or caste of Hindus belong to. Option A. Kshatriya, B. Sudras, C. Brahmins, option D. Vaishyas. এই কুৱেশ্যনটো মই আপোনালোকলৈ আগবঢ়াইছো। আপোনালোকে এই কুৱেশ্যনটোৰ এনসাৰ মোক তলৰ কমেন্ট বক্সত কমেন্ট কৰি জনাব। যদিহে ভিডিওটো চাই ভাল পাইছে অথবা এনে ধৰণৰ কুৱেশ্যনছৰ পৰা আপোনালোক উপকৃত হ'ম বুলি ভাবিছে তেনেহলে প্লিজ ভিডিওটো লাইক কৰিব, শ্বেয়াৰ কৰিব, কমেন্ট কৰিব আৰু যদি এতিয়ালৈকে চেনেলটো সাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰা নাই তেনেহলে প্লিজ চেনেলটো সাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰাৰ লগতে বেল আইকনটো প্ৰেছ কৰি অল কৰি ৰাখিব যাতে আমি দিয়া প্ৰতিটো ভিডিঅ'ই আপোনালোকে নিয়মিতভাৱে পাই থাকিব পাৰে। মই পুনৰবাৰ আপোনালোকলৈ লৈ আনিম অন্য এটা নতুন ভিডিঅ'। আজিৰ ভিডিঅ'টো শেষলৈকে চোৱাৰ বাবে আপোনালোকলৈ বহুত বহুত ধন্যবাদ।